What's up everyone, welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, and of course also into new coins that just got launched, like Mind of Paper, for example, that is nicely pushing to the upside. I'm gonna give you an update on this one here, guys, as well. I took already some profits, just that you know that, but of course we're gonna have a look also into new ones that are good to buy next. And I decided to also enter into Bitcoin Hyper. This is a completely new Bitcoin meme coin that is also coming out as well. We're gonna have a quick look into that. If you're interested in the coins that I'm buying, you're gonna find all links in the video description as always, guys. This new Hyper Bitcoin is out there, Bitcoin Bull, Solexi, Snorter, and so on. We're gonna have a look quickly into that, and later on I will also drop a nice tutorial how to buy into those coins, guys, because if you are buying those coins with me since the beginning basically, then of course you can buy and stake those coins, and once they are dropping, then of course we can make some gains. Of course, no financial advice, high risk, and so on, but yeah, we are here for that, guys, so that's why we're gonna have a look into that as well. But first of all, of course, we're gonna cover Bitcoin, because I am about to open up a long position. Yes, guys, a long position, even though I'm still a bit skeptical right now, but I'm potentially trying out here a long position with maybe a 5x leverage, something like that. If you want to follow my trade, then make sure to check out the best exchanges here in the crypto space, like Maxi Global, Bybit, and so on. I'm trading on all of those exchanges. I split everywhere a bit my money to have, of course, also less risk. I'm not putting all my money into one exchange. I'm always diversifying into different exchanges. So definitely check out the links in the video description, guys, and also thank you very much for your great support. We have reached almost the first 100 subscribers. As soon as we have 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a $100 giveaway in form of maybe Tether or also Pepe, Dogecoin, Shiba. We will see. Maybe we're gonna just do a meme coin giveaway worth of $100, of course. And therefore, you must sign up to Bybit or Maxi Global with my link, and then just send the UID, because then I'm gonna select the lucky winner. You can, of course, comment in every video with your UID of that exchange, and there of course I do then the internal transfer from that exchange. And why I am currently looking out for a long position, you might ask, guys? Very easy. I'm trading usually with my indicators, but now you can see that here on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin is creating a nice bottoming area here at the 200 moving average at around $104,000 to $105,000. And I like this consolidation quite a lot, because it is of course very likely that at least we're gonna see a big bounce, eventually even a big continuation to the upside. That is very possible at this stage. And also based on my indicators, we are getting now some fresh buy signals, especially here on the 3-hour time frame. Everything is about to cross bullish. And if we go over into the daily time frame, also here we don't have yet a buy signal. That's why also I'm not rushing into a long position right now, because on the daily time frame we are bouncing at the 50 level in the RSI. We are about to get a buy signal. We have positive money flow. Everything is looking good. And also here on the CME chart, as you can see, Bitcoin is bottoming out here at the median line of the Keltner channels at around $104,000. We never had one single daily close below of it. So this is also actually very bullish here on the CME chart. The 9 daily moving average is pressing us down, so let's see where we're gonna close, because I think latest once we have a daily close below the median line of the Keltner channels or above the 9 daily moving average, currently at 107k, we're gonna see the resolution here from this consolidation to the downside, or of course to the upside. So if you want to trade the safe way, maybe wait for a daily close above resistance or support here. And this is probably also what I'm going to do actually, because I'm still not in my long position, but I guess we're most likely going to see a breakout to the upside, but better to wait for confirmation. And of course also here on the weekly time frame, we had bearish divergence and we don't have yet a sell signal here. Once this one is flashing to sell, then we're most likely gonna retest the 20 weekly moving average at least, and this one is at 94k. So yes, I think the low 90s are still possible to be tested. That is true. But yeah, therefore we of course need to break down in the 4-hour and daily time frame first in order to expect that. But here down at 94, 92k, we have a lot of support, and that's why I think if we're really coming down there, that could be of course a good buy opportunity, at least for me. No financial advice, I'm just sharing everything what I'm doing, guys. And something very important is, of course, for this month, that hopefully we can close above the top set of the Kelton channels, currently at $106,000. Because if we cannot do that, then really it's starting to look a bit ugly here for Bitcoin. Although here on the CME chart, we are currently getting problems to push towards or above the midline of the Kelton channels at 108K. We need like monthly closes above it, then we can say yes, the bull run is back and everything goes directly into new all-time highs and everything will be pumping like crazy. That would be the case, but only once we're gonna see monthly closes above $108,000. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, it's everything high risk, just do your own research and so on, but this is what I'm seeing currently in the charts. And yeah, I think that's basically it for Bitcoin, guys. And yeah, we just wait for the next trade signal. And meanwhile, of course, I like to trade those new coins. As you can see now, also Mind of Pepe came out and it pumped like crazy here. And this is what I like about those new coins, because you really have just to buy early in and then stake those coins and just wait for the launch. Nothing else to do. It's just then depending where you want to take profits, what you want to do with those coins and so on. So what I did here with this pump, because we are now in this consolidation phase for Mind of Pepe, maybe we're gonna see here another leg to the upside, maybe also a corrective phase. Those coins, they have extremely low market cap, so they always move in phases and with those waves as well. So that's why just be careful if you're trading those coins, yeah, if you bought in early and you staked a lot of coins, then of course now you can take maybe your initial investment out, some profits and so on. And I did that. The rest of my Mind of Pepe coins are still here in the staking mechanism. So my 150,000 coins are still here. I took the rewards out, so there I took profits, but you see that I still keep accumulating coins because this balance is still here, the staked balance. This one is only withdrawable after 7 days after launch. So I keep them here, I keep accumulating, and then we're gonna see where Mind of Pepe will be. Maybe I continue to take profits, or maybe I'm just gonna leave it here. We will see. But in any case, I'm gonna focus now into the next ones. And we have, of course, Solexi that is coming out in 11 days and Bitcoin Bull in 24 days. You can find them all here in the video description, of course, Bitcoin Bull, Solexi. But there are also now two new ones that I bought, and one of them I'm buying together with you guys. One of them is, of course, Snorter, this new Solana trading bot. This one also I bought. And of course I bought with staking, so you can do whatever you want, but I'm buying with staking because like this, same like over on Mind of Pepe, if you buy early enough, you can accumulate a lot of coins that later on, then once they are launching, you can start to take profits only with the rewards. And the ones that you're buying, they are of course staked here and locked for 7 days after launch. If you're not staking, then all your coins are claimable, of course, but you will not enjoy these staking rewards. So Snorter I bought, and I did also a tutorial. It will be popping up at the end of this video. And the new one that I'm going to buy with you guys is Bitcoin Hyper. This is like the Bitcoin scalability and speed is finally here. So this is going to be kind of a Lightning network. So this first layer 2 on top of Bitcoin. So this is going to be similar like Lightning, but it has, of course, also a meme coin as a mascot here, basically. And yeah, I'm just gonna buy into this one because currently the staking rewards are extremely high, 2000%, guys. Same story like Mind of Pepe and so on. I'm gonna do that and then of course see what happens at launch. I'm gonna do a tutorial video, but it's basically always the same, guys. If you click the link in the video description here for Hyper, this is the ticker, Hyper, this new Bitcoin Hyper meme coin, then you end up on the website. And here on the right side on the dashboard, you can, for example, click here buy with crypto. I like to use MetaMask. You just connect here your DeFi wallet and then you're ready to go. Then you can invest with Tether, with Ethereum, with BNB and so on. And then you click buy and stake for 1950%. If you click here buy Hyper, then you're gonna buy the coins, but without staking. And with 2000%, I'm buying definitely here with staking rewards, guys. And every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price of the coin will increase here. Currently it is a bit more than a cent for one coin, as you can see here. Alright, guys, let me know what you're doing, but I'm buying currently into those coins. I bought all of them that you can see here on this list, and yeah, All links in the video description if you also want to check them out, guys. I always keep this list updated. Maybe I'm also going to do a website, guys, where I can easier put all the tutorials together and the coins here, what they are about, how you can invest into them and so on, if you want to buy the same ones like I have. And of course also make sure to have different exchanges ready to trade all the cryptos that you want, because it's always good to be diversified into different coins. So guys, almost 100 subscribers. Thank you very much for your great support. And of course, we're gonna do a nice giveaway. I will announce that also here on X, over 1,000 subscribers here already. Make sure to be following me also on my other social media platforms that you find here, guys. Very important, over on X, TikTok, Telegram. There, of course, I can update you much faster and immediately. Not always I have time to do videos. That's why very important. Always check out also the other social medias on X, TikTok, and so on. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.